Hi students, welcome back to the class 20. Theorems of a kernel of homomorphism. Theorem 1, normality of the kernel. Let F maps from G to G dash be a homomorphism of group with kernel N. Here F is a homomorphism and N is kernel. Then N is a normal subgroup of G. Here F is homomorphism, N is kernel. Then we have to prove that N is normal subgroup of G. Proof. To prove that N is a subgroup of G, by the definition of kernel, N is a subset of G and N is non-zero. Because E not equal to N, since f of E equals E dash. Let A and B are elements of N such that f of A equals E dash, f of B equals E dash. Consider f of AB inverse. F of AB inverse can be written as f of A into f of B inverse because f is homomorphism. F of A, f of B inverse can be written as f of B whole inverse. F of A is E, f of B is E, E inverse. E into E inverse. I is again identity element. F of AB inverse equals E. This implies AB inverse belongs to N. Therefore, by the definition of subgroups, N is a subgroup of G. In the second case, we have to prove that N is normal subgroup of G. That is, we have to prove that N is normal. Consider f of A x A inverse. This can be written as f of A, f of x, f of A inverse because f is homomorphism. F of A, f of x is E dash, f of A inverse. F of A into f of A inverse. This can be written as f of A inverse. If A into A inverse is E, f of E. F of E is E dash. Therefore, N is normal subgroup of G. Next theorem. If F maps from G to G dash be a homomorphism of groups with kernel N, then F is 1 1 if N equals E, identity set of singleton set E, where E is identity of G. In this one, we have to prove that F is, in the first case, we should take F is 1 1 and we have to prove that N equals singleton set of E. In the second case, converse case, we have to first we should take N equals singleton set E and show that F is 1 1. Let F maps from G to G dash be a 1 1. Therefore, f of A equals f of B implies A equals B for every AB belongs to G. This is by the definition of 1 1. Okay, let A belongs to N. Then f of A equals E dash. F of A equals E dash. This implies A equals E. Since f is 1 1. For every A belongs to N, A equals E. This implies for all the A belongs to N, A is an identity element. Therefore, N equals singleton set E. Conversely, let N equals singleton set E. Okay, let f of A equals f of B. Then we have to show that A equals B. By multiply by f of B whole inverse on both sides, f of A into f of B whole inverse equals f of B into f of B whole inverse. This becomes E dash. This is f of A, f of B whole inverse. Because f of B and f of B whole inverse are the elements of G dash, so identity element should be E dash. This can be written as f of AB inverse equals E dash or equal to f of E. By cancellation law, f and f cancel, AB inverse equals E. Multiply by B on both sides. AB inverse into B equals E into B. A into B inverse B equals E into B. A, B inverse B is E, E, B. A is A, E into B is B. Therefore, F is 1 1. Next theorem. Let G be a group and N be a normal subgroup of G. Then G by N is homomorphic image of G with N as its kernel. Here G is a group and is normal subgroup of G. Here we have to show that G by N is homomorphic image of G where N is its kernel. Okay, first define a mapping. F maps from G to G by N. Then the elements in the set G by N are of the form N into X. F of X equals Nx. Since for every x belongs to G, there exists a coset nx belongs to G by n, and for every nx belongs to G by n, there exists element x belongs to G such that fx equals nx. F is well defined and onto, hence G by n is the image of G. Now consider f of AB equals f of AB, n into AB. N into AB can be written as NA into NB, product of cosets. NA is FA, NB is FB. F of AB equals f of A into f of B. Therefore, F is homomorphism. The identity of G by N is N. Kernel F is the set of all those elements of G whose images are N. We know that for every x belongs to N, Nx equals N. Therefore, f of x equals Nx equals N. Kernel F equals the set of all x belongs to N equals N. Therefore, G by N is the homomorphic image of G with N as its kernel. Next, one of the important concept, isomorphism of groups. Okay, we know that what is homomorphism. Similarly, isomorphism. A homomorphism F maps from G to G dash is said to be an isomorphism of if F is both 1, 1 and onto. F maps from G to G dash is said to be isomorphism if F is homomorphism, F is 1, 1, F is onto. If these three conditions holds good, then F is called isomorphism. Okay, then the two groups G and G dash are said to be isomorphic. Written, G is isomorphic to G dash. Examples, let F maps from Z plus to 2Z plus defined by Fx equals to X for every X belongs to is an isomorphism, because here F is homomorphism, F is 1, 1, F is onto, therefore it is isomorphism. F maps from R plus to R plus dot, where R is the set of real numbers and R plus is the set of positive real numbers, defined by f of A equals e power E for every A belongs to R, is also an isomorphism. Definition: every homomorphism of group G into itself, F maps from G into itself, is called an endomorphism. Here, every homomorphism of group G into itself is called endomorphism. F maps from G to G such that f of AB equals f of A into f of B for every AB belongs to G. Then F is called endomorphism. Next definition: every isomorphism of a group G into itself is called an automorphism. Here F maps from G to G itself such that F is 1, 1, F is onto f of AB equals f of A into f of B for every AB belongs to G, then F is called automorphism. Every isomorphism of group G to itself is called automorphism. Every homomorphism of F from the group G into itself is called endomorphism.